to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is shown on both sides in new design renders and reveals many other new details regarding the upcoming smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Samsung has announced that it will host the first Galaxy Unpacked event of 2024 on Wednesday, January 17th. Samsung's next major presentation, which will introduce the Galaxy S24 family of flagship smartphones, will take place at the SAP Center in San Jose, California, and will be broadcast on Samsung's YouTube channel. The start of the event is scheduled for 10 AM US Pacific time. According to the available data, the well-known insider ICE Universe published a high-quality image of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model from both sides. The Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup is almost here, and I recommend you check it out. It may have a different feel, particularly because One UI 6.1 is more stable and smoother than the One UI 6.1. It is expected that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, a 2K resolution with a maximum brightness of 2600 CDM2. In addition to the 200 megapixel main camera sensor, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra also features a 3x telephoto lens and a 5x telephoto lens. On the other hand, according to the company, the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked will feature the latest mobile devices in the Galaxy portfolio. In its teaser video, the company explicitly states that Galaxy AI is coming. So we can expect Samsung developed artificial intelligence to appear in smartphones in some form or another. To drum up interest in the event, Samsung plans to once again offer US residents a $50 discount if they reserve one of the new Galaxy smartphones online or through the Samsung app between January 2 and 16. There is no need to paying anything. Just enter your name and email address, and users will be given a discount when pre-orders start. The new Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra models are expected to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400 chipset or Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors, depending on the sales region. As we can judge by the previously presented flagships from other manufacturers, a Qualcomm chip has high performance and is also capable of running artificial intelligence algorithms directly on the device. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.